Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to check your Philhealth contribution. First, open your Play Store. Then search eGov.ph and install. Once you already have the app, just click it. Click Allow to send notifications and sign up. After that, you will be redirected on this page. You just need to input your email address or contact number. Then click Next. Click Continue. Once you receive your one-time password, just input it here. After that, you need to set your own MPIN. Just re-enter it again and click Next. After that, you will be redirected on this page. Just click Verify Now. You need to input here your personal informations, and then after that, just click Next. Next page is your current address. Just input everything and then click Next again. The last part is taking a live selfie. Just tap to launch camera. If you're happy with your picture, just click Yes, I'm happy. But if not, just retake the photo until you're satisfied. Once done, you will receive a 6-digit code on your email. You just need to input it here. This is the sample of the 6-digit code that you will receive on your email. If everything is okay, just click the Philhealth photo. Just click Continue to my account. So you will see here all your Philhealth details. To see all your contributions, just click this button. So that's it, you will see here all your payments. There are times that even you input everything correctly, the verification still failed. Just click Submit Valid ID. Just choose the ID type that you have and scan your ID. Then click Confirm. Enter the 6-digit code from your email. So that's it, your account is being reviewed. Once you click the Philhealth photo, it will show your account for approval, but you will get a notification via SMS and email for the update.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.